Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you are unable to download anything from Microsoft Store because the download is stuck on checking dependencies, or if it is getting queued, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to delete Microsoft Store local cache folder. Now for this you can go to this location, open File Explorer, go to this PC, open C drive. Now open users folder. Now open your username folder. Now open AppData folder. If you don't see AppData at the top, click on view, select show, put a check on hidden items, and then open AppData folder, open the local folder, open the packages folder, and scroll down and find Microsoft Windows Store. So here you can see Microsoft Windows Store underscore some alphanumeric character. Open this folder, and here you can see local cache folder. Make a right click and delete this, and then you have to relaunch Microsoft Store and then check. If that does not work, run this command. These commands are provided in the video description. Type in cmd in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt app, and make sure that you run this as an administrator. Click on yes to allow. Now copy all these commands one by one over here. Paste it, hit the enter key. Copy it, paste it, hit the enter key. Sorry. And then run the third command. Paste it, hit the enter key. Now once you run all the command, now restart your computer. And after the system restart, you can open Microsoft Store and then try to install and then check. Still not working, make sure date, time zone and region is correct. At the bottom right here you can see the date and time. Make a right click on date and time, click on adjust date and time, and make sure if set time zone automatically, if this is off, turn it on. Also if set time automatically, if this is off, turn it on. And then click on sync now. Sync now is important. If you receive any error in red color, just click on sync now multiple times, and once done, go to time and language, go to language and region, and make sure your country is selected over here, and then relaunch Microsoft Store. Next step is to run wsreset command. So type in wsreset in Windows search box, click on wsreset, and this will reopen Microsoft Store. Now you can check. Still not working, repair or reset store. Now for this you can type in Microsoft Store in Windows search box, and then make a right click on Microsoft Store, and then go to app settings over here. Scroll down, click on terminate first, and then click on repair. And after the repair you can open store and then check. If that does not work, you can also perform reset. So click on reset, and once the reset is done, open store and then you can check. Still not working, the next step is to restart these services. Now for this, type in services in Windows search box, click on services, find Windows Update in the list, make a double click on Windows Update, find Windows Update, make a double click, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK. With this selected, make a right click on restart. Now find background intelligent transfer service, make a double click, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, and then make a right click and then click on restart. Now find Microsoft Store install service. Here you can see Microsoft Store install service, make a double click, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK. With this selected, make a right click on restart. Now you have to relaunch Microsoft Store and then you can check. Still not working, the next step is to run this Powershell command. This command is provided in the video description. Type in Powershell in Windows search box, make a right click on Windows PowerShell. Make sure that you run PowerShell as an administrator only, and then click on yes to allow. Now paste the command over here and then hit the enter key. Now this process will take some time, and during this process you will see some errors in red color. So if you see errors in red color like this, just ignore it, let the process complete. Once this is done, you will see everything red. Now you can check. Still not working, you can use mobile hotspot. So you can turn on the data on your phone, turn on the hotspot in your phone, and then you can connect to your phone network over here, and then you can check. Now still not working, try installing game from or application from library. So at the bottom left on Microsoft Store you will see download option. So if you see your application or game over here, you can try to install it from here, or you can go to library. If you see your game or application over here, you can try to install it from here. If that does not work, you can go to downloads, and then over here you will see check for update option. Click on check for update, and then you will see update all option, update everything, and then you can check. Next step is to uninstall and reinstall Microsoft Store. Now to uninstall Microsoft Store, copy this command. Command is provided in the video description. Type in PowerShell in Windows search box, make a right click on Windows PowerShell. Make sure that you run this as an administrator. Click on yes to allow. Paste the command over here, hit the enter key. This will uninstall Microsoft Store from your computer. And once done, copy the second command. This command is also provided in the video description. Paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. This will reinstall Microsoft Store on your computer, and then you can check. Still not working. The next step is to run sfc and dism command. Now for this, type in cmd in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt app, and then make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator. Click on yes to allow. Copy the first command, paste it, hit the enter key. Now this will run a scan. The scan will take some time, and once the scan is 100% complete, you have to run the second scan. So copy the second command. You can paste it on the same window once this scan is complete, and once the second scan is 100% complete, then restart your computer, and after the system restart you can check. If that does not work, run inetcpl.cpl command. So type in inetcpl.cpl, and then click on inetcpl.cpl, go to advanced tab, scroll down, make sure use TLS 1.0, 1.1, 1.2, 1.3. Make sure all four are checked, and then hit apply. Apply is important, and then click on OK. Relaunch store, and then check. Next is to update your Windows. So go to Windows Update or Update in Security, and then click on check for update. Once all the updates are installed over here, then restart your computer. After the system restart, you can check. Still not working. The next step is to, if you're trying to install any games, you can use Xbox app to install it. So instead of installing it from Microsoft Store, you can go to Xbox website, and this is for games only. So you can go to Xbox website, you can click on download the app, and then you can run this exe file, and then you can install the Xbox app, and then you log in with the account which has the game or which has the Game Pass. Once you're logged in with your account on Xbox app, then you can check. You can try to install the game from Xbox app. Still not working, then run gaming services repair tool. To run gaming services repair tool, you can go to Google search. In Google search, type in gaming services repair tool, and go to Microsoft website. Go to the official website. On this page you will see downloadable version. Click on it, and then you can click on download the gaming services repair tool for PC, and then run this exe file. Click on yes to allow, and let the repair complete. This process will take some time, and once you see completed successfully, and then here you can see completed successfully. Now once this is done, now you can open Xbox app or Microsoft Store, and then you can check. Still not working. The next step is to install Xbox identity provider. Now for this, copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser, and then click on download over here, and then click on open Microsoft Store. And if not install, you will see install button over here, or maybe get option, maybe update option. In my case, it is already installed. Still not working. Uninstall and reinstall gaming services. For this, copy this command. Type in PowerShell in Windows search box, make a right click on Windows PowerShell, and then make sure that you run this as an administrator only. Click on yes to allow. Paste the command, hit the enter key. This will uninstall gaming services from your computer. Once done, copy the second command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. This will open Microsoft Store, and then click on install option, click on yes to allow. And once gaming services is installed, once the installation is 100% complete, then you can check. If that does not work, you can run the gaming services repair tool once again. This one, you can download it, run the exe file once again, and once that, you can check. Now still not working. The next step is to fix problems using Windows Update. Now for this, open Windows settings, go to Windows Update, go to advanced option, and then go to recovery option, and over here you can see fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files, and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take some time, and once this is done, you can check. Last step is to update your Windows using media creation tool. So if nothing is working, you can use media creation tool. You can go to Microsoft website. The link is provided in the video description. Scroll down here, you can see media creation tool. Click on download now, and then you can run this exe file. When you run this exe file, you will see the screen. Click on accept over here, and then by default Windows 11 would be selected. Click on next and then select ISO file over here and then click on next. You can save it to desktop and then let the download complete. This process will take some time, and once this is done, click on finish and let it close automatically. Let this screen close automatically, and then go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file over here, and then run the setup file, make a double click, and then click on yes to allow. Click on next over here, click on accept over here, and then here you can see ready to install. By default, the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, so make sure this is checked and then hit install. After the installation, log into the computer and then you can check. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to fix this problem. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.